Stroke, spotting the sign. On that particular day, these three people were enjoying lunch together when all of a sudden
What's wrong? What's the matter?
let's perform the first test. F face.
Face is strange.
Please raise one arm.
He can't.
Speed.
I think he's having a stroke.
I think you're right. Tea time.
Please call 112 as fast as you can.
What's time?
Can you identify the warning signs of a stroke? Please perform the first test. F stands for face. Look for an uneven smile. A stands for arm. Check if one arm is weak. S. Speech. Listen for slurred speech or troubled speaking. And time. Time to call 112 and get to the hospital immediately. Summing up, it's of paramount importance to learn the 5 warning signs of a stroke. 1. Sudden numbness or weakness of the face, arm or leg, especially on one side of the body. 2. Sudden confusion, trouble speaking or understanding. 3. Sudden trouble seeing in one or both eyes. 4. Sudden trouble walking, dizziness, loss of balance or coordination. And 5. Sudden severe headache with no known cause. And remember, a stroke is a medical emergency. Time is critical, and wasting time means brain loss.